So as you can see, everything is a disaster in my room right now. I have a small room as it is and a toddler that I co-sleep with, and she is like a little tornado that just goes around and destroying everything. So I just wanted to show you what a real life cleaning routine is with me with a toddler, because it's not what you normally see online without a baby and all this magical stuff happening. So enjoy. The first thing that I do to keep her entertained for a little bit is I give her some snacks and some water, and I do use the TV to keep her entertained. But even though I have the TV on, it doesn't really last very long because she doesn't really like watching it for a long time. I'm gonna apologize in advance for that timestamp that you see in the corner. It was my first time filming with a new camera, and I didn't even notice that it was going to be on the screen, so I'm sorry if that annoys you throughout the video. When she's awake with me and I'm cleaning, I like to clean the surfaces that she can't reach first. So anything on the dresser, anything on that black shelf behind me, anything on the bed, I like to do that first. And then I kind of let her destroy the floor, because if I try to clean that before, she'll just throw all her toys again or just make a bigger mess. As you can see here, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes in, she starts bothering me to pick her up. She's just interested in what I'm doing. She wants to see everything. So I usually pick her up, and most of the time this is how I clean with her in my arms. I clean while holding her, and then I get what I can done. And yeah, I mean, it's not always perfect, but this is real life. Another thing that I noticed while I'm cleaning with her and she's awake, I have to take a lot more breaks. So sometimes she'll be hungry, sometimes she'll be thirsty. So as you can see here, we're taking a little water break, and then we just continue on to the cleaning. So this is what the room looks like after I was done cleaning. I didn't get to clean everything that I wanted to that day, but I got most of it, and that's all that matters. I got her toys cleaned up and everything. The bed is made and stuff like that, so that's good for me. Every single time it's not going to be perfect, but yeah, I hope you enjoy this cleaning motivation video and this real life cleaning with a toddler. So thank you for watching.